If you want to make money with CPA marketing, why not try out this strategy right here, which you can use to start getting traffic and start earning affiliate commission to your CPA marketing offers just by focusing more on the giveaway niche and utilizing this platform right here called the propellerads.com. So make sure you just stick onto this video and learn this video right here, or learn this exact same strategy which I'm going to show you right here into today's video. And without further ado, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So first of all guys, you want to select the CPA marketing platform right here. I'm going to use the CPA build, and if I do go onto the offer section right now, I'm just going to go on to start searching for offers that are actually related to giveaway. So if I do come right here and search for keywords or names right here, I'm just going to put in something like iPhone, and if I do go on to clicking on search, I'll be able to see a lot of offers that are actually available for iPhone giveaway right now. And you can see right now that this offer is for them to actually do go on to gaining access to an iPhone 14 giveaway. If I do click on that, you'll be able to see more details about this offer right now. You just simply go on to clicking on get link, and you'll be able to get a link for this particular CPA marketing product right now, and actually do go on to promoting it right here. So how do you promote it? You want to just simply go on to creating a landing page right here. You could use any landing page creator sites out there, such as the breezy.io, you could use excitedgo.com, you could use the systemy.io and other landing page builder sites out there. But guys, once you're done with that, head on to this platform called propeller.com, and this platform is actually going to help you drive traffic to your CPA marketing offers, as this is actually a paid ad platform. So if you do head onto this platform and actually do go on to logging into your account, you can just simply go on to clicking on create campaign right now. Just simply go on to giving your campaign a name, and you can actually do take advantage of ChatGPT to actually help you in some areas right now. So I could just simply head back to this offer right here and do go on to selecting a particular name for this particular offer right now. I could just simply give it something as an iPhone giveaway. So if I give it the iPhone 14 giveaway, want to make sure you do go on to selecting a type of notification format or ad format which you want. I'm going to select the push notification. I'm going to leave both the in-page and classic push on. For the pricing model, I would like to select the CPC, which is the cost per million or cost per click right here. And you want to just simply paste in the link to this affiliate marketing product, or the CPA marketing product right now. Come right back to this section and do go on to copying this link right here. If you do copy the link, head back to Propeller ad and actually paste in the link to that product right now. So next, you want to just simply select the traffic sources, and I want to just simply use the Propeller ads only. So that's why I'm going to leave the exclusively inventory traffic. I could actually go into selecting the user activity. I'm going to select all user activities right there, so I'm going to leave all this section on all. You want to just simply scroll through, and right here in this country and geography targeting, or the country and bid section, you want to select the country that this offer is actually available to, and you can actually see the country right here, which is the United States. I'm going to go back to Propeller ads and actually do go on to selecting the United States. So if I just select the United States right now guys, I could just simply go on to put in an amount for this particular CPA marketing offer. You can see the recommended right here, which is about $0.112 right here. I'm just going to select something slightly above the recommended, but not close to the maximum right there. So I'm just going to put in something like $0.13 right now. And I can actually do the same thing or similar stuff for the in-page push. I'm just going to put in something like $0.05 right there. And if I do put in something like that, I could just simply keep on scrolling through. And right here guys, you want to select your advertising budget, and for Propeller ads, you're not going to be using anything less than $30 right here. So for the daily budget, I'm going to put in $13, and if I want to run this ad for 4 days, that's going to be 30 times 4, which is actually going to be $120. So you want to just simply go on to putting in something quite similar to the classic push budget right here. I'm just going to put in something similar to that, and I'm also going to come right here and type in something quite similar right now. Once I actually do that right here, you want to select the targeting platform, and for this CPA marketing offer, it targets all devices. So I'm just going to go back to Propeller ads right there and actually go into targeting all devices, both mobile and desktop right now. For the OS, I'm going to target all OS right there because it's not an OS specific right now. Just simply select all OS right here, which you could just simply gain access to. So once all has actually been selected, you could skip out this OS version and a lot more other stuff right there. You can then just simply scroll through, guys, select the type of offer, and it's like actually a giveaway offer. Select the gender, but it's not gender specific, it's not also age specific. You want to leave all those sections quite open, and you want to just simply scroll through so you can get to the creative section. And this creative section is where you're actually going to create how you want your ad to actually look like. And I could just simply come right here for this title. I could just simply take advantage of ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to generate an ad title for an iPhone 14 giveaway. And if I do click on enter right now, guys, you can see the ad title has actually been created, which says win the future right now. And if I do copy this, I'm going to use this section as the particular ad title right here. For the description, I'm just going to come back to that particular ChatGPT and do copy this exact section which says enter now for a chance to win iPhone 14 in our ultimate giveaway. And I'm going to head back to Propeller ads and paste that in the description right there. As you can see, it actually exceeds the maximum amount of characters right now. And I'm just going to go on to comment right here, removing some sections which are not quite important. You can see right now it says enter now for a chance to win. I could just simply remove this right now, enter to win iPhone 14. So I'm going to edit this to enter to win an iPhone 14. And right now, guys, I could just simply go on to Google. And while I'm on Google, I'm just going to go on to searching for iPhone 14 giveaway or iPhone 14 offers or images. I could just simply go on to searching for iPhone 14 images right here. I will be able to see a lot of images about iPhone 14, which I could then go on to selecting one. I'm just going to make sure I do select maybe this one right here. And if I do select this one, I'm going to right click on that, click on save image as, and I can just simply go on to saving this image on my device. As you can see right now, the image has actually been saved on my device right now. I'm then just simply going to go back to that particular website, which is called propellerads.com, click on upload image, and I could then just simply go on to using that exact same image. So I just selected one of the image which I downloaded right here, click on open. You can see the image right now. I'm just going to click on crop, do the similar thing right there for the landscape. And if I do go on to selecting that, guys, you'll be able to see how it looks like in the preview section. You can see that this is how it's going to look like for Android devices, this is how it's going to look like for Windows, this is how it's going to look like for the Mac OS, and also the in-page push notification. So right now, guys, you want to just simply go on to adding multiple creatives right now. You want to make sure you do add in at least 4 creatives right here, because it actually boosts in your chances of getting better conversions to your CPA marketing offer or to this campaign right here. As you can see right here, that you could add at least 4 creatives or more. We recommend testing at least 4 creatives which actually have a different icon, different banner, and different text combination per one campaign right here. And their system actually optimizes ad distribution based on the CTR and CR. The more you actually test, the higher your chances of finding the best performing creative right there. So guys, that's what I'm actually saying. Just simply going to using multiple creative for your campaigns on this platform. Once you are done, agree to this particular section where you could just simply declare and guarantee that your campaign actually meets the quality guidelines. Then you then want to just simply go on to clicking on start campaign. But before you do click on start campaign, since my account has not actually been funded, you could then go on to actually funding your account right there, because it's going to lead you to the section where you could just simply fund your account with any payment method of your choice, and you should be able to go on to promoting this particular offer right here. And if you do that, guys, you'll be making some cool cash doing so with CPA build. And I assure you guys, you don't want to just simply miss out on this strategy. Why not just simply go on to using this, start getting some cool affiliate commissions in CPA marketing to your CPA marketing offers. So that's it for now, guys. I hope this video did help you. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells are turned on all. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.